Hi everyone, this is Adie from Adie's Crafts and Things. Today I'm going to be talking about how to do front and back post stitches so you can get like these pretty ridges here. So grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. Hi, welcome back. So again, we're going to be working on those back post stitches and front post stitches. This is a way to work in amazing texture. You can see it very nicely on this pattern. This is called Secret Paths. It is a free pattern on Ravelry. I'll put the link on the video on the description below. So let me just show you how to do those front and back post stitches. So I'm going to grab my trusty little swatch here again. So what we're going to be doing, I've already made the first stitch. Now from here I want to do front post stitches. Let me see if I can get you a little bit closer so you can see it better. So from here we're going to still be doing double crochet. So usually the way that I showed you in the previous videos on basic stitches, you go through this little hole just under the V right there. But for a front post stitch, we're going to be grabbing what's considered the post, this part here. So we're going to be going behind the post this way, and then we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and we're going to be doing the rest of the stitch like normal, like a double crochet. Again, I'm going to grab the stitch from behind this way, and I'm going to do a double crochet as normal. Now with the back post double crochet, instead of going from the front, I'm going to be going from the back. So this one's a little bit trickier. So you will just be looking at the back of your project and going that way. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then finish your stitch. Okay, again, yarn over through the back. I'm going to go on this stitch right there. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. So you'll see whenever you're doing your back post, it's going to make your ridge appear on the front of that row. If you do the front posts, it will make it appear on the back of that row. So in the example of Secret Paths, if we wanted to have the two ridges close to each other, we would do one row with just front post stitches. And then I'm just going to finish it early here. You would turn your work around, start your next row, and then you would be doing back post stitches, so grabbing it from the back, and that way you end up with a double ridge on the front of your project, like that. Whenever you're doing these, the first and the last stitch are just worked as usual. So into or under that little V to finish your row. Okay. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.